Hey folks, in this very short video, all I'm going to do is explain to you how to find niche products to promote. And this applies to affiliate marketing. It's something that I do for a living. It's something that you can also be very successful in. And here are some of my income reports that are related to this kind of stuff. And I've promoted products across different types of niches, drones, white noise machines, trail running gear, weight loss products, make money online products. So I have a great deal of experience with that kind of stuff. And one of the things that I see that a lot of people get wrong when it comes to looking for products to promote in whatever niches is that they don't know which niche they're interested in, and they don't really know a lot about it, and they don't really know which products to promote because it's just too random. Like, they think about what's the most profitable product, what's the best product for me to promote, but they're never thinking about it from a point of view which is, what niche do I know most about, or what products do I know most about? And that's really where you want to start. Find a niche that you know a lot about, then look for products that you know a lot about, and then use some of the methods that I'll be showing you in this video to basically brainstorm and find products to promote to that niche. So I'm just going to give you a very quick example. Let's say I'm into trail running, which I actually am, and what I'm going to do is, let's say that I'm going to take a shoe like the Salomon Speedcross 3, 4, or 5, whatever. They're different kinds of trail running shoes. That's one of the things that I can promote. Hydration packs. It's these backpacks that are very easy to carry. You can run around trails in them. That's another product that I can promote, or all various sorts of trail hydration packs. I can also promote GoPro cameras because a lot of trail runners carry that kind of stuff to film them. So that's like a whole bunch of different products that I can promote in that niche right there. And I brainstorm them very quickly, all because I know about the niche. So it's actually very easy for me to find out about these products. And I know a lot about these products too because I know about the niche and I have experience with it. Now, beyond that, if you want to find even more products to promote, you can literally head over to places like Amazon, YouTube, Google, and just type in relevant keywords for these kinds of products and get even more product ideas to work with. So what I mean by that is, if I head over to Amazon and I type in trail running, I'm going to get all of these different products that I can promote. So many different products, and it's basically just shoes, but I can go beyond that. I can type in hydration pack, for example, and look at all these different hydration packs that I can promote. This is what I was talking about. I can also head over to YouTube. I can type in trail running products. And look at that, my 10 essentials for trail running. And then these are 10 essentials could be different products that I could promote in the niche. I could just find a whole bunch of different products this way to promote. And I can also head over to Google and type in top trail running shoes. And I'm going to get different blog posts and sites that talk about this kind of stuff. And I can find different products based off that. It's just that right there. I have dozens of different products that I can promote in that niche. So that's just an idea of how that works, and you can apply that to any niche. Remember, the idea is you want to start with a niche that you know a lot about before moving over to the other part of it. Now, that's the easiest explanation of it, and I have to say that it's very important to understand that in the whole business model of promoting products, that's the easiest section of it. How you promote these products to the niche audience is a whole different story, and that actually requires skill. You can do it through blogging, you can do it through YouTube, you can do it through pay-per-click, you can do it through different social media channels. And if that's something that you're interested in learning, that's a whole nother subject that I actually get into on a site that I link to below this video, which will actually take you right here. And this is where I talk about the same subject that I'm talking about in this video, but I get into more details and I give you more tutorials on how to promote the niche products that you find, because finding the products is easy, promoting them is the other part of the equation that you need to know about. So that's the most important thing that I wanted to get across. And the last thing that I want to say is that if you're interested in learning how to promote products as an affiliate, or perhaps just in general, I also get into the details of that in the site below this video. And you can learn a lot about that as well, and how to get started, how to promote products in your niche and create a fully sustaining business that makes passive income that way. With that said, I covered pretty much everything that I wanted to. I'm going to include this video in the site that I linked to below this YouTube video. So you can also ask me questions on the site. You can also ask me questions about that in this video. And with that said, thanks so much for watching, and I hope it helped clearly explain how to find niche products to promote. Take care.